Hi friends, today we are learning one new interview question, that is count the frequency of a character in the given string. So first we see the input and output. So I take one string. See the frequency of a given the frequency of a capital A is 2 times, frequency of a small a is 2 times, small b is 1 time, small c is 1 time, and small c d is 1 time. So first, check the code here. So first I take one character array. In that I scan the string from the user here. See, enter the string and I scan the string, and I take one integer array as a name as a count, and I keep the size as a 52, because we know the alphabets from capital A to capital Z is 26, and the alphabet from small a to small z is a 26. So 26 plus 26 is 52. So I keep the size of this array is a 52, and I initialize this array start 0. I count. I store the count of the character in that integer array. So first I take one for loop. In that I initialize I starting from 0, because we know that the index of a string starting from a 0. I kept one condition here. This condition satisfied only for the alphabet character, that is character small a to small z and capital A to capital Z, not other characters like alphanumeric characters, special characters, not other characters. It allow only that alphabet characters. And I will show you this code, rest of code one by one. See here. See, we take one string character array str. See, str, and we take one string a string. The string contain the character capital A 2 time, small a 2 time, small b 1 time, and small c 1 time. And I kept one integer array name as in count. I divided this array 0 to 25 for count of alphabet capital alphabets from A to capital A to Z, means occurrence of a capital alphabet. I count this occurrence and I put this count in index 0 to 25. After that, small a to small z, I store the count of the small alphabet A to Z from count 26 to index count 26 to 51, count 51. So first we can see, first I take one condition here. If, see, I explain this code on notebook. See, if str of I is greater than equal to A and str of I is less than equals to Z. First our I index start from 0, so I kept I from 0. So I str of 0 contain first character is what? Capital alphabet A. So A. See, this condition is satisfied. Str of A means what? A is greater than equal to A, true, and A is less than equal to Z, true. So we come in this statement. This statement is count str of I minus 65. We know the ASCII value of alphabet A is a 65. Capital alphabet A is a 65, and small alphabet is A is in 97 small, and capital A is a 65. So 65 minus 65, what? 0. See, count 65 minus 65 means count 0 plus plus. So initially I kept the value 0. So 0 plus plus what? It become 1. So 1. Then our loop I plus plus. So here this next character is also next character is what? Capital A. See, this condition is satisfied. Capital A is greater than equal to A, true, and capital A is less than equals to Z, true. So 65 minus 65, again count 0 plus plus. Before it's 1, so plus plus 1 it become a 2, means our capital A is a 2 time. Frequency of a capital A is what? 2 times. See here, 2 time. After that, small a, see, what condition is what? Small a, here this condition is not satisfied. See, small a is greater than or equal to capital A. We know that the ASCII value of small a is 97. This is not satisfied, so we came in else part. In else part I put, see, 97. We have to keep, see, 97 minus 71, it's 25, sorry, it's 26. So 26, why I minus 71 here, not 97? See, we kept one integer array, no, name as in count, and I store the occurrence of a character, capital A to capital Z up to 0 to 25 and small a to small z up to 26. We need plus plus here, what index number 26 for a small a for 26 we need here. So what, str of I is what? 97. So 97 minus 71 is what? 26. So 26 plus plus here, so it 1. Again a, this this condition is not satisfied. Again come in else part. See, 97 minus 71 is again 26. So this 26 plus plus, see, 1, it become a 2. The frequency of a small a character is 2, so it's 2. Likewise B and C. See, B, what B is, ASCII value of B is 98. See, so 98 minus 71 is 27. So index of 27 here, initially it's 0, no, so plus plus 0, it's 1, means what? The frequency of a alphabet B is 1 time. Like that C and D is 27. See, the ASCII value of A is 97, 98, 99. So what? 99 minus 71 is 28. The index of 28, before it's 0 now, because I initialize it 0. Here, initialize it 0. So all 0, 0, 0. So here 0 and plus plus 1. The frequency of a character C is 1 time. For printing, we need the printing like that. So printing, so here our what, in count, integer array count, we keep the count of the character, means frequency of that count. So here I equals to 0, I is less than 52, I plus plus. If count I is not equal to 0, suppose in this string other character is missing, like capital B, capital C, all characters missing. Now for for character B, the index count 1, it's 0, still it's 0. We don't want to show the 0, we want only 1 time. At least this character should be 1 time here, occur 1 time, not 0 times. So I kept here, if count is not equal to 0, means count at least one at least once. So here I is less than 25. We know that from 0 to 25 we put the what count of capital A to capital Z. So if I is less than equals to 25, then print %C %D I plus 65 means what? We know that the ASCII value of what capital A is 65. Suppose for A, 0 plus 65 is a 65. %C 65, what should it print? A, and count of I is 2. So it print 2. And if our alphabet is from small a to small z, then print I plus 71. What I plus 71 means what? Suppose I is 0 plus 71 and I is 0 and your character is what? 97. So I plus 97 is what? I is what? I become 26, no, so 26 plus 71, it's 97. For small a, 97. Small a, occurrence of small a, means small a equals to occurrence of that small a in count, it's 2 times, so 2. So check this code line by line. Hope You like it? Once I show you input and output. See, capital A, occurrence of a capital A is a 2-time, occurrence of a small a is a 2-time, occurrence of a small b is a 1-time, and occurrence of a small c is a 1-time. Thank you.